this. I can't believe it. This is how it do me. It do me wrong. Sad and I'm mad. I do it. Ooh, ooh. Ooh! Okay, I see them, Hell no, I'm not watching no stupid. Yo! Stupid! I'm not watching no shitty ass. Hell no! Thank you for wasting my time. Oh my god. 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 It wasn't working. You can't blame me on that, Eve. Oh my god, I got a perfect in here. I got a perfect and just one and a freaking nigga, just one. Are you deaf? Are you retarded? Is this game retarded? It's like you can't hear.
Extensive research show.
Stop it, dude. Stop it! What the hell, bro? I wanna play some Roblox if this is not working. Okay, I'm gonna play some Roblox with Joel. You don't even know him, so don't even ask me. Is he even playing? Does he even go at church? That's all my freaking questions. And that's my little other freaking nursery rhyme. Don't ask me, I'm not watching it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I almost died. Oh my god! Okay, what in tarnation butt craps? Booty crap. Booty crap. I got a lot of coins. Stop making that gameplay.
TikTok makes me so crazy. I want to dance right now.
Why not? Huh?
This morning, I thought I had nothing to wear. But this, as my daughter would say, this is everything. All I did was bring up the hem a little. You did all the rest.